Hey y'all, it is March 24th? Yeah. And I wanted to catch up and well with the 5 of you that have subscribed. um so yeah, I've made another 4 videos and now I want to give you some insider views of what that looks like. So, not a whole lot of movement in that regard. So it just goes to show you right off the hop that it's, don't expect your beginning journey to just be like a cakewalk, right? It's not that way. And so what I want to talk about is like the mindset you have to have when you start YouTube is like it's an internal promise, a personal promise to yourself, basically saying like, I am in this for as long as it takes. I want to learn and understand the platform and adjust accordingly over time. And if you don't put a set date for expectations of success, then you're not going to be disappointed, right? And honestly, if my first channel is an example for me, is that consistency and just um, producing, you know, enough and sustaining that pace is inevitably going to push you forward, right? And so, I mean, that's what this channel is going to be in its essence. It's just going to show you that, like, within the first few months, I'm trying to kind of not hem myself in to my niche. Like, I don't know what I am yet. I don't know what I'm going to be. This is a journey from, trying to get 1,000 subscribers and trying to get those watch hours. But I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just, uh, you know, really trying to find out like what that looks like and try to show you guys what that looks like, the reality of it, right? And so, like I said, my first video I posted was in November, but I didn't post until January after that. And then from January, I posted one video, um, and just kind of talking to beginners and the truth for beginners, much like I'm talking about right now. It's all just kind of like the reality of the scenario of what it looks like to start a YouTube channel. And I move on to start doing some tutorials because I didn't know exactly like what works or what's going to work for this channel, what this channel is going to be, what I enjoy doing more. Do I enjoy just talking to the camera mindlessly, or do I want to show how I created shorts for my other channel, or how I give insider information to people beginning so that they can upgrade their skills just enough to have quicker success, because it worked for me, right? So that channel is Modern Testament Talks. It's a faith-based channel. You can check it out if you want, but this channel is meant to just be more about like the journey, right? So I talk about some tips and tricks on Canva a lot, and like how to do banners and thumbnails and GIFs and logos and uh, and 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 I talk about ChatGPT and prompts. So like, I mean, I've really only been posting like thoroughly starting February, really, or at the end of January, starting February, and into March. And so, as you can see, growth is slow, right? But what's nice and what is reassuring for those that start out, right? If you are creating content for a specific group of people and you start to get the odd subscriber, it feels really good. So you know what? That sort of dopamine hit is enough to sustain you. When you lose them, it hurts too. But I mean, it's fun because it's kind of like a social test too, right? And I think the biggest thing for me starting YouTube is that like it forces you, for a guy who has no background in this stuff, it forces you to like learn skills and then try to apply those skills and fail upwards, so to speak, right? And that's basically been the journey, right? But I also, you got to really want to be doing it too, right? And so today I just wanted to touch base and kind of talk about the fact that your first 2 months, right, are going to be slow, and the two after that will probably be slow, right? Like the chances of you just like hitting the jackpot, as a lot of people kind of think that that's how it's going to go, is pretty slim, right? So, yeah, I think this channel is going to do well in time as it figures itself out. For now, I'm just kind of having fun with it, right? So I think the next video I'm going to create today might be like I don't know, a tutorial on using CapCut and Canva to create, like, I don't know, just maybe like a history video for YouTube, some style like that. And I think I'll just do a bunch of tutorials like that that kind of show different ways to create different types of videos that you can do, like faceless ones on YouTube or talking head ones, right? Just to give people an idea of like what directions they can go in terms of video creation, right? And then I'll use other AI tools as well, like Pictory, that really help with creating faceless content, right? And that's down the road. I want to kind of break into all the other types of software, AI software, and break them down and learn them together. And so that it's more approachable for those just beginning, right? Because like I started, when I started YouTube on my other channel, like AI was immediate, right? Like ChatGPT for scripts and stuff like that. And SEO and all sorts of stuff, really. And then Leonardo AI for image creation, because I mean, we started watching like AI Guy and stuff like that, and once I saw that and started creating that way, it was a lot of fun, and it helped my channel out quite a bit. And so that made me think, like, that's the sort of content that I want to create, right? Because giving those tools to people really have like actual real world benefits, and I've experienced it. So I know that if I kind of simplify it, right, layman's terms, teach them step by step, that sky's the limit for whatever you're trying to create. And yeah, so it's going to be fun, like, as time goes on. And I assume, I know there's only 5 subscribers right now, but I assume in time that when I have more subscribers and whatnot, that hopefully people give me suggestions on the things that they would like me to deep dive and stuff like that. My wife's also a YouTuber, and she'll probably give me a bunch of those ideas as well. She's right beside me right now working, but she doesn't ever want me to put her on camera because she's shy. So anyways, that's neither here nor there. Yeah, well, I think that's it for today. I think that's all I got for you guys. It's, like I said, it's March 24th. So yeah, I'm going to create another video, but I'll check you later, and thanks for checking in. Probably check back in after another month and see where we're at, or if the check-in works on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, I don't know what this channel is going to be yet. It's still evolving, and it will continue to evolve. So yeah, thank you all for stopping by, all, like, I'm assuming 10 of you at the end of the day. Anyways, yeah, check it out. We're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff, and going to get on top of it quicker and quicker as we go along, especially this month coming up. I'm going to start teaching or doing tutorials on a bunch of different software. So look forward to that, and check you later.